climate-related risks and hazards have threatened our determination to increase investment in climate action and to build resilience against disruptive forces of nature. The government will continue to champion afforestation and the restoration of degraded landscapes and mobilize Kenyans to plant trees throughout the Republic to restore the environment and our biodiversity. We encourage increased use of climate-smart technologies such as mobile grain dryers, mobile soil assessment laboratories, and of course, an expanded irrigation infrastructure. We have made progress towards fulfilling our commitment to build 100 dams and 1,000 dams in different parts of the country to facilitate sustainable water use and increase irrigated land by 500,000 acres by 2026. The government of Kenya is in discussion with the African Development Bank and other multilateral institutions to implement this expanded dam program.